How to delete user on Nintendo Switch. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. I'm going to show you step by step on how you can delete a user account on Nintendo Switch. These steps can also be applied to Nintendo Switch family, Nintendo Switch Lite, Nintendo Switch OLED model. The first thing that you want to do is to select System Settings from the Home menu. Then you want to scroll down to Highlight Users, then select the appropriate user account. Now scroll down to the bottom of the Profile Settings and select Delete User. If a parental control pin has been set for the system, enter it to proceed. Check the box next to Delete, then select Next. Now select Delete this user option. Once the account has been deleted, select OK to return to the system settings. You have to remember that deleting a user account will delete all saved data associated to the account. Saved data cannot be restored after it is deleted. If the user account is linked to a Nintendo account, the Nintendo account will not be deleted. However, software purchased with the account cannot be played until the Nintendo account is relinked to a new user account. Now, in case you have forgotten your parental control, you want to click on the Recover or Reset button before continuing. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.